All right, I used the box as a stand for the first part while I was putting this YinZhiBoo together, and that actually seemed to work out the best to support it. But while you're watching me put together the bike, I'm going to talk about how it was on the road. So it has the 5 levels of assist, and 0 assist is 0 assist, but the assist is 100% up to a speed. And so changing the assist levels just changes where the assist tops out, but it doesn't change the amount of assist you get. So when it's assisting you, it's trying as hard as it can right up to the speed that it limits it at. And I can't remember, but we'll say it goes up in like 4-mile-an-hour increments. So it's like 4 miles an hour for level 1, 8 for level 2, 12 for level 3, etc. Then maybe it's 5 miles an hour. I don't remember exactly, but that's how it works. There's no like partial or less help. It helps as hard as it can, 100%, until it reaches the speed that it tops out at, and then it's back to you pedaling or just going at that speed with your, on the throttle. I got this bike because it spec'd the seat height at 25 inches because it's for my wife, but it really wasn't 25 inches. It was, I think that seat post didn't go all the way down inside, so it was like 32 inches, but there was still 3 inches of seat post sticking out. So you'll see I actually cut the seat post down to get this thing to the minimum height that I could in terms of seat height. Other than that, though, the bike went together pretty easily and it rides pretty nice. The lights work well, the brakes work well. It was everything that I thought it would be, other than the seat height, and the assist is not a good style of assist. All right, I am going to cut this right there, just about 2 3/4 inches short with this, so that we can get the whole seat post in. Okay, we made a little adjustment. It's a little shorter than it was, and we're right down into the saddle here. I mean, that's as short as this thing's gonna get. And I believe we were at, so I'm at 29 and a half. And there's a little squish in the front, but that's what we got. All right, that's the completed putting it together, the YinZhiBoo Y800 electric bike. And we'll road test this thing, try it out, and give you some reports when the battery's charged.